How to change country in Roblox. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, as of right now, there is no option or feature that allows you to change your country in the Roblox app. That's why we will be using an alternative solution. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and search for Roblox Sport. Once you're there, click on this page and you will get here. And essentially, what we will be trying to do is to contact the Roblox support team, asking them to change our country or location while giving them a reason as to why we want to do that. So let's go ahead and see how this process will go. First of all, you have the section of the contact information in which you will be able to enter your username and first name, which are optional, but I recommend you to do. And also, you will be able to enter your email and confirm it in these two fields right here. Once you are done with the contact information section, scroll down to and you will find the issue details section. The first drop down, as you can see, it says what device are you having the problem on. So click on the drop down and select any device you are using Roblox on. For example, Android phone. You choose whichever device suits you. And the second drop down is the type of help category, so click on it, and here you can choose how to let me find it, this one right here. You can either choose how to or technical support, so choose any one of them. And as soon as you do that, you will see that there's another drop down that just appears, so click on it and you can choose any option from these, it doesn't matter. The last step is to describe the issue. In this field right here, you will be messaging on the Roblox team asking them to change your country. So, for example, tell them that I have mistakenly entered my country and now I'm not able to change it, or give them whatever reason. For example, tell them that you have moved, or to each person his own reason. Just make sure to explain it well. And once you are done, click on the submit button to send your feedback. And after a while, maybe it will take few business days depending on your issues. It's different for each person. They will get back to you to fix your problem. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change Roblox location. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.